If the leaves on your ginger plant are starting to turn yellow, do not ignore it. Yellow leaves can be a warning that your ginger is getting too much water, too little nutrition, too much sun, or that the roots are struggling. Here is what to do. Hello, gardeners. Today I will show you the main reasons ginger leaves turn yellow and the simple steps you can take to help your plant recover. One of the most common causes of yellow ginger leaves is too much water. Ginger likes moist soil, but it does not like sitting in water. If the soil stays wet for too long, the roots may begin to struggle and can eventually rot. Before watering, touch the top layer of the soil. If it still feels very wet, wait before watering again. Also make sure your pot or grow bag has enough drainage holes so excess water can escape. Ginger grows well in warm conditions, but very strong afternoon sunlight can stress the leaves. If your ginger receives intense direct sunlight for many hours, move the container to a place with bright light and some afternoon shade. Morning sunlight is usually gentler. Yellow leaves can also happen when the plant does not have enough nutrients, especially nitrogen. Feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer or well-rotted compost, according to the recommended amount. Do not add too much fertilizer because excessive feeding can also damage the roots. Your ginger needs loose, fertile, well-draining soil. If the soil is very compacted, water may remain around the roots for too long. You can improve the soil with compost and other materials that help drainage, but avoid disturbing established ginger roots unnecessarily. Look carefully under the leaves and around the stems. If you notice insects, unusual spots, rotting stems, or badly damaged leaves, isolate the affected plant if possible and identify the problem before applying any treatment. Remove completely dead or badly damaged leaves with clean scissors. A few yellow leaves do not always mean your ginger plant is dying. If the ginger is approaching maturity, yellowing and drying, leaves can be a normal sign that the plant is preparing for harvest. But if a young ginger plant suddenly develops many yellow leaves, check the water, drainage, sunlight, nutrients, and roots. So, if your ginger leaves start turning yellow, do not immediately add more water. Check the soil first, improve drainage, protect the plant from harsh sunlight, and make sure it is receiving proper nutrition. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with another gardener.